1. Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. And today we're going to do a feature video on our 71008G machine. The 71008G machine is a more advanced version of our 71008R machine, which we have sold for well over 20 years here at HighTex. We have many of the 71008R machines which we've sold well over 20 years ago to clients from all around the world, and those machines are still in production today. That stands as a testament to the durability, the reliability, and the efficiency of these machines, given the fact that they've been in service for well over 20 years. The 71008G machine is capable of doing rope eye end terminations, where we take two pieces of rope, form them into a loop or an eyelet, and then sew them together. It also has the capability of doing rope splicing operations, where we eliminate the eye down here and simply place two pieces of rope side by side of each other and then sew them together for joining. So it's a very versatile machine for any type of rope sewing application where you're creating rope eye end terminations or simply splicing two pieces of rope together. So the advantage of the 71008G is that this machine has a much more advanced software package than the 71008R machine. The 71008G machine features a completely touchscreen design on the LCD interface, whereas on the 71008R machine, it simply was comprised of a much smaller screen with buttons that you would press down beneath. The 71008G machine has this touchscreen option, and it is also a much easier software to use, a much friendlier software to use, and it requires very, very little training. The 71008G machine also has the ability of performing self-diagnostics, meaning that if there's a problem with the machine, the software will tell you where the problem is, as well as how to fix it. So in addition to that, with the software, when we pull a pattern up on the machine, just like we have here, by simply pressing a few buttons on the control panel, we have the ability to widen that pattern or lengthen that pattern using the software that's in the machine, thereby creating a new pattern, which makes it much, much easier to be able to adjust for different lengths and different widths in the machine without having to redesign a new software program as we had to do on the 71008R. The other advantage is over on the other side of the motor right here, where we have a much, much larger, much, much more powerful motor system. And that motor system allows the machine to penetrate through very, very heavy rope like this. This is also very stiff rope as well. It allows it to penetrate through very heavy and very stiff rope very, very easily. In addition to that, we also now have incorporated a thread trimming mechanism into the machine, which allows it to be able to trim thread very easily. That was a feature that we did not have on the 71008R machine. So now we have incorporated a thread trimmer mechanism as well. The machine can also be set up for not only doing rope sewing, but with this added attachment or a variation of this attachment, we can actually sew flat nylon webbing. And the machine can be equipped to do both rope sewing and flat nylon webbing sewing simply by changing the bracket that's on the machine. Now I'm going to do a quick demonstration where I show how easy it is for the machine to sew a very heavy, very stiff piece of rope like this. And so we've already got our pattern pulled up on the screen, and now all we simply need to do is to press the start button. And there you have it. In less than 30 to 45 seconds, we have a complete rope eye end termination through very, very stiff and very, very heavy rope. So the 71008G is an excellent machine and a much easier machine to operate than our previous version. If you have any additional questions about the 71008G machine, or you would like to purchase one, please give me a call directly. My name is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal's Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. You can reach me at area code 330-692-1418, and I thank you for your time today.